Hello pioneers! In the one hand, pictures immortalize the most important and happy moments of our life, and we use them to remember events or trips. On the other hand, iPhones have revolutionized the world of photography, and they do not only make calls, but the quality of the photos they take is impressive. For these reasons, we bring you iPhone 11 Pro Max camera lens accessories, best sellers in 2020. Different angles and lens types so your memories are as accurate as reality is.
say goodbye to expensive photograph prints and individual photo sessions. Now, everyone can capture creative and professional photos. All you need is your trusty camera phone and the Zeso Color Lens Kit. Hi, I'm John from Zeso, and today we'll be looking at how with the Zeso 3-in-1 phone camera lenses kit, you can capture every special moment by utilizing your phone's camera features to its full extent. This set includes 198-degree fisheye lens, which is much wider range from the 180-degree offered in the other kits. Screwed together, a .63 wide-angle lens providing less distortion, perfect for landscape photography. And a 10x macro lens offers greater depth, great for close-up shots of small objects such as flowers and coins. You can photograph them as close as 50 millimeters away and still get amazing pictures. Hard case plus carrying shackle, mini product bag, 2 lenses cup, new design 38mm clip, and an ebook. The new clip design makes it compatible with all smartphones and even laptops, tablets, and iPads. You can even choose a color that best suits your personality. Every component is professionally made to be compact, lightweight, and durable, so you can easily take amazing photos wherever you go. Take great photos without dark corners. These superior camera lenses are made of top-grade aluminum and upgraded high-quality optical glass. As an added value, this set also comes in a specifically designed waterproof hard case for extra protection. It's the perfect gift for friends, family, and hey, even yourself. To get your hands on a telephoto lens kit, just click on the links below. You don't need bulky equipment or fancy DSLR cameras to take quality photos. All you need is your trusty camera phone and the Zeso Telephoto Lens Kit. Hi, I'm John from Zeso, and today we'll say hello to our latest camera kit that is guaranteed to take your phone pictures and videos to a whole new level. Our kit includes 8x telephoto lens, lets you capture intricate details from a distance. It even lets you adjust zoom throw of the lens. Screwed together, kit also comes with a .45-degree wide-angle lens which gives you a broader capture while maintaining a clear, crisp image. And a 15x macro lens which allows you to shoot close-up photos with massive zoom magnification. 2 lens covers, pistol grip tripod which can be used as a selfie stick and a tripod, phone mount, hard carrying case plus shackle, 2 clips, one for macro, wide angle, and one for the telephoto. Easy pairing Bluetooth remote control for wireless shutter and cleaning cloth. Now you can turn your mobile into a fancy DSLR camera. Every component is professionally made to be compact, lightweight, and durable, so you can easily take amazing photos wherever you go. Whether it's for taking the perfect selfies or steady tripod shots, the Zeso Telephoto Lens Kit is simple and easy to set up. Just attach to your front-facing or rear mobile camera and you are good to go. As an added value, this set also comes with a specially designed waterproof hard case for extra protection. It's the perfect gift for friends, family, and hey, even yourself. To get your hands on a telephoto lens kit, just click on the links below.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off your protective case on the outside of your DJI Mavic. Inside now, you're going to find this little piece of plastic right here that actually is what holds your camera steady whenever you're transporting it. We're going to want to leave this piece in when we're taking our filters on and off of our camera. So with this piece in, it's going to hold your camera steady, so that way we can just slide our filters right over the top. Now it's very important that you slide your filter all the way on and make sure that you push it as far as it can go. This will allow your camera to be able to calibrate the gimbal when it's first starting up. As long as you do this, you should have no problems when you're getting ready to take off.
That's all for today, pioneers. This has been our compilation of tech gadgets. We hope you like it and also to see you back soon.